What's up guys? Telecom operators in the UK can no longer install any new 5G equipment made from Huawei after September 2021. The government announced a new rule on 13th November 2020 as a means to remove gear from the Chinese tech giant from its 5G infrastructure. For those unaware, the UK has already ordered the removal of all Huawei telecommunications equipment from carriers and their systems by 2027. The reason for this rule was to remove the potential security risk from the nation's networking infrastructure as per the UK intelligence agencies. Notably, China has been against the decision, has even criticized the UK government for following a similar path as the United States. The announcement today arrives just before a debate which will be over new telecom laws in the parliament that will map the timeline for the removal of Chinese equipment from the infrastructure. According to Digital Minister Oliver Dowden, I am setting out a clear path for the complete removal of high-risk vendors from our 5G networks. This will be done through new and unprecedented powers to identify and ban telecoms equipment which poses a threat to our national security. The British government also unveiled a strategy to diversify the 5G supply chain. This will have the chain consist of an initial £250 million investment. The trials will have the government collaborate with NEC, a Japanese firm, to establish new research facilities as well as per a Reuters report. At the moment, the UK has already banned buying new Huawei 5G gear after the end of this year and is still working out the final details. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Now what's your thoughts on this guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.